Hello, it's Carol. I wanted to show you a little known feature in Excel called the camera tool. The camera tool is brilliant if you want to take a snapshot of part of your Excel data or chart and have it as an image that automatically updates. Let me show you how it works. I've already got the camera tool on my quick access toolbar at the top there. It's not part of the ribbon. You have to actually go into all commands and put it on your toolbar. So the first thing I'm going to do to show you how to do that is use the drop down arrow from your quick access toolbar and choose more commands. Once you get into the Excel options, choose the drop down arrow and all commands. You'll get a list of everything that Excel has to offer, which is lots and lots and lots of things. If you go down to the C's, you should find somewhere camera. Once you see camera, choose the add button to put it onto your quick access toolbar, which I've already done. Once you've got it, you can make use of it. You can use it for dashboards, making mini charts. It's quite useful, really, and it's useful to know that it's there. So what I'm going to do is I've got another sheet tab here where it's going to be a report. So I'm going to take some data from my calculations and workings out and pivot tables, and I'm going to add it into this report using the camera. First thing I'm going to do is take the table. This is a pivot table, so I've selected it. I'm going to choose camera on the quick access toolbar, so click onto that. You'll see that the table is surrounded by dashes, marching ants I call them, and your pointer changes. You just need to go to where you want to paste the image because it's copied an image and click, and it's basically added an image where you want it. The beauty of this is that image is dynamic, so as soon as you change the data and update the pivot table, this data will change as well. I'm just going to extend the size of that. Make it a little bit bigger. Let's just do that again, this time with a chart. Now for the chart, if you want to create a snapshot using the camera tool, don't select the chart, which is what you'd think you do. You actually select the cells. So you can either put your chart into one cell, or like I have, I've tried to make it so that when I select the cells behind the chart, it picks out that chart exactly. Then again, click onto camera tool, going back to my report here, and I want to add the chart into my report, and I can resize it to the size that I want. And because it's an image, you do have the picture formatting options here. So not that I will, but if you wanted to add any kind of formatting to the image, you can, just as an added fact. So let's have a look at this in action. So if you have a look at bikes, we've got 74 is the starting number, you can see, which is the original table here. So if I just change one of these options here from 10,000 to 1,000, so we see a change. It's a pivot table, so I need to refresh by selecting the pivot table. And I actually have refresh on my quick access toolbar to make it easier. So I've just clicked refresh, and the bikes is now 65 as the first number. It's changed the charts dynamically. And if I go to the report, you can see that it's changed the images as well. So everything's matching. Really cool tool if you want to quickly create a dashboard, or like I say, you can create mini charts. So once you've created a chart, you can make it smaller and use it as a mini chart. So yeah, have a go with that. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching.